go over. I can get this one.
Yeah, lower, nice and slow.
Oh! Go ahead and sit back.
Good job, Sarah. Keep your legs in front of you.
I don't like how every time you
Ice!
You guys okay?
Yep.
Yep.
Right, Sarah? You can keep going. Once she's down, I'm going to rappel down on this side.
There's a rock behind that.
You saying you're taking the easy way down, Dan?
I know, I am.
Okay, sit back. Keep your feet in front of you. You try to climb down with their feet. You just gotta sit.
You gotta trust.
There you go.
There you go. That's
There
it.
you go. Good job. Good job.
Sarah, take just a second. Look around your left shoulder so we can get a picture of you.
Other left.
Other left.
Oh, I still can't see your face.
Come over by me.
Over by you? Yeah. Okay, I'm going over there for
Whoa! Michelle!
Don't kill yourself.
All right, Sarah.
Don't kill your mother.
Okay.
Tell Skylar to hang on just a second.
He's busy chopping away up there.
Okay, sit.
The idea is to go up the ice, not take down the ice.
Ice.
Oh, that's gonna be a big one.
Wow, that's a...
You're all right, Sarah.
You got it.
She's actually better up
I
there.
moved to get out of the way of the ice and I jumped in front of the ice. What? It is way too hot up here.
You're good. Sarah's got you. You're almost there.
Yep, this is the fun part.
Just jump off the wall. That's what I tried doing.
Hey, Sarah, look this way.
Woo!
And I didn't go anywhere.
Yeah, let me get your feet in too. Awesome.
You're almost there, Sarah.
Oh, Skyler, just tell me when you're done.
Sorry. Almost there.
Awesome.
Okay, there you go.
Ice.
Ice.